bless the one curse, you know. Give them some praise and not the worse.
Friendly reminder, you know. Give up no anything. That are never part of the plan. You know what I mean? No matter where you go through in life, no matter how rough it might look, give up no anything. Just remember, say, you have a lot of enemies out there wishing to see you fall. You know? A lot of enemies out there wishing for the moment them say give up. So they could laugh after you. So they could trample you. You know what I mean? Don't give up. Some people don't grow with their grandparents, you know, and it does show, you know. So when they don't grow up with their grandparents, it does show up on them. Boy, I'm glad I grew with my grandparents, my grandfather and my grandmother. Yo, I love my grandparents better. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I look there now. I never grew with my grandfather, my grandmother. I don't know one thing about this. I don't know how to climb a breadfruit tree, pick a breadfruit, roast that, you know, scrape it, and cut it up. So I'm glad I go with my grandparents better. Yeah. Grandmother and grandfather are best, brother. Just let me tell you, you know that. Yeah, people. Wonderful day. Sun is out and shining in all its glory after a 2 days of heavy rain. You know? So yeah, as you could see, people are there on my farm, and right now, as promised, the shanty is under construction. You know what I mean? I started it yesterday, and if you could see the progress that I done there already, yeah man, so finishing soon. You guys, yeah, finishing soon time. You know? About to head back home and think with some materials, you know, but hopefully by the end of the day, you guys, once all is well, I would complete a lot more on this project. You know what I mean? Just stay tuned. Coming on. Yeah, people, you know, as you could see, I did out yourself on my farm, you know what I mean, and whole heap of rain and fall and thing, you know. Yeah, I can't say I didn't expect this, you know. I was expecting this and the forecast, well, some showers there, but as you do hold up and things still, I still say, well, I go come and I go bring some extra materials one time. You know what I mean? So just the, you know, and I like a piece of zinc fence. So I take some shelter and see if you go pass off and thing. To see if I could do anything upon it. On the house, on the shanty. You know what I mean? Yeah. So just watching to see anything and see what I go on and thing now. Whole heap of waterfall, people, you guys. Yeah. I mean, look like you go there like this for the rest of the day probably. You know what I mean? Or sometime might be for the whole week. You never know. Yeah, but we just try and see where we could do and things still. We not fight nothing here, guys. We just there. And we just watch where I go on, because I don't know if fully nature take its course in everything. You know what I mean? Yeah, but we just there out in the jungle now. Yo guys. Yeah, come on a born warrior, yo guys. Yeah man. So people anyhow, stay tuned. You know what I mean? Yeah. Look out for more brand new videos coming. anytime I get this shanty finish, build up, yeah, just look out for a whole heap of brand new thing coming now, a whole heap of mad videos coming now. Yo guys, yeah, just look out for that now. You check it in, just stay tuned and subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Yo guys. Load up now. Load. Coming on. Not finished yet, you know? Yeah. Still got a lot of work to do. You know what I mean? The galvanize and them for gone. The zinc fence and them for gone. Yeah, but we just put this over there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Keep our some sun and the glycerin. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Ja, Rastafari. I mean, stay up on the farm and it's a wonderful evening, you know. Yeah, to be overcast, you know, come and now and then and thing. Yeah, but anyhow, getting through and me getting by. You guys, yeah man. I mean, so me coming along. Progress happening slowly but surely. You know what I mean? Yeah, but nonetheless, you know, giving up. You know? Yeah, just a work through. Yeah, so me just there. Just I do some work on the shanty. I call the bush house. You know what I mean? I shed. You know? Yeah, I me just get it in place and get it in order and thing, and slowly but surely me coming along. I fight it, I not rush it. I just take my time and thing, and you guys. Yeah, just go and do the do, and yeah. So bless up all the people them. We've been showing love and support to the channel, you know. And if you're a new viewer here, you guys, if you could kindly subscribe, touch the notification bell, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend now. You know what I mean? Vincy Local Herbs. You know? Yeah, so soon time I have some weed for cut and thing. You know, for a while me pass by weed field and thing, but you know what I mean? Hopefully anytime I go pass, make a check and see how the weed and then coming along. You know, we be getting some heavy rain and thing, and I just hope they ain't beat down or anything like that. Yeah. So as I was saying, soon I got some weed in the shanty drying and cleaning, so you go see all of that. Yeah, guys. Yeah, and thing. So no beat up about nothing, people. Vincy Local Hubs, your boy there. You know what I mean? Just a put in the work. Yeah, guys. Yeah. And soon time I will start to do some cooking videos. You know? Yeah, soon time I start to see me cook and thing and them thing there and thing now. Yeah, guys. Then now we go. I mean, people. Vincy Local Hubs, man. Yeah, guys. Yeah, and I don't like them pulling in at the week. See? Fucking weak, no mother cunt. Cheap and fucking weak. Yeah, but any people just soap say, you know, mash up na anything tonight, me just hope it last night, tomorrow me come. You guys, me could start put on some galvanize and thing. You guys, once no bad weather tomorrow, you know what I mean? Yeah, I go start to put on some zinc fence on the roof tomorrow and thing. Yeah. And it's story very strong, you know. Yeah, man. That's the people you don't know is a boy and a Rasta boy. Yeah, guys. Let me soon see y'all again. But stay tuned. Yeah, then now we go. So yeah, people, you know, I just stay up on the farm. Yeah, guys. I put on some zinc fence on the roof, on the little kitchen in the bush. You know what I mean? Yeah, people. Around on the farm, man, you guys. And I'm just in time because rain a fall and thing, you guys. And as you could see, they done put on some. Well, I guess still get some bits and works and things to go patch it up. Like for example, put over a piece of ridge in this, so. You know what I mean? Yeah, keep out the rain and thing now, like this, so. Yeah, guys. Yeah, and I got some galvanized and things to go for. Some zinc fence and things to put on. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, man, coming on. You know, doing good and thing. Yeah, people. And I just want to say, enough love and respect to all those who been following me on Instagram. Not Local Hubs, LOCALL _ Hubs, HERDS. And yeah, people, you know, I just want to say enough thanks and blessings for the support and the love that they are showing me, man, you guys, and the encouragement. Yeah. And I want to big up my viewers them in Jamaica as well, and those in United States of America, Canada. You know what I mean? Lucians, St. Lucians. You know what I mean? Yeah. Enough love, people. Now I cut the video short because we're gonna come and I have something I focus on right now. Yeah, guys? Alright, bless her. Yeah, people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then it's Local Herbs, Vincy Local Herbs. You know what I mean? With the boy Ras Diligent. And as I could see at the heap on my farm today, I got some marijuana on the line drying. Yeah, these were harvested yesterday afternoon. You know? And I have them on the line drying, preparing them to clean. I mean, in about 2 days time, they will be able to be ready to clean. You know? Yeah, people, and as you could see, I sweat down. Sweating a lot. You know? Yeah. But I didn't know why. We on the farm. Yeah, people, and in the process of finishing up the work on the house and things. So soon time, you know what I mean? A lot of things happening. Yeah. And hopefully soon in this month coming I will be planting some cabbage and most likely some more marijuana. So stay tuned for that. You know what I mean? A lot of things coming, a lot of cooking channels, a lot of cooking videos and hunting videos and diving videos as well. We looking to get a GoPro and thing underwater GoPro. Yeah, people. So look out for a lot of things coming. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, people. It's another day again on the farm again, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know? See us sweating. This morning the place is kinda humid. You know what I mean? Yeah, and I just reached on the farm and think I was bringing some zinc fence. Yeah, so I wet down and I sweat up. Yeah, but people, you know? Yeah. I cut some herbs. I got some herbs on the line drying still. Not much, a handful. I go by my wheat field yesterday and cut out. Yeah, the money ripe already now, you guys. Yeah. You know what I mean? And yesterday I go and get them time dry up. Them time quail up to get clean and thing. Yeah, peeps. You know? Yeah, I want to do some work and thing today on the farmhouse. I mean, get US at the roof go on and thing. Part of the roof there and thing. You know? Because I run out of materials with the time. I run out of zinc fence and them thing, the galvanized feet time. Yeah, so I will just do half and leave the tarpaulin, as you could see, on the next side. Because tarpaulin good in a leak now nothing. Because yeah, just many kind of tin. You know, so soon time I have to get it changed. I don't know if it go tear or anything, because right now we're in hurricane season. Yeah, and a lot of rain and thing will spoil it. You know what I mean? Yeah, people, so well, stay tuned. You don't know, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah, guys, Vincy Local Herbs, and you can follow me on Instagram at Local Herbs. That's LOCALL_HERBS Herbs, Local Herbs. Yeah, and soon time, you know what I mean? I got some videos coming, man. Just hold on, you know. A lot of things coming and things. Just I get place in order. Yeah, peeps. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. We go see how we go. Hi everybody. Yeah, man. Then there is a war Ras Diligent. You know what I mean? I be out on the farm. You know? So I just finished putting on some galvanized and thing on the roof. Yeah. And you know, put the tarpaulin better. So it could in a better shelter. You know? Yeah. And that is how we're going to stay for a while until I get some materials and things. Yes, so people, as you can see, the marijuana and the line drying up nice and green. Yeah. And thing. You know what I mean? So I just want to say that to everybody viewing this video, if you're a farmer, if you love farming, never you give up in your life. You see? As farming is the way to life, farming is the way to go. You know what I mean? I know say it's not everybody had the opportunity for own a piece of land because of their living, you know, their living circumstances. Yeah, but at least try and get a piece of land to work. You know, and plant your own food. That's the best thing that you could do. Alright? Yeah, people, the next step from here, so you know, just to get it bar up, you know. Yeah, just get the coverings on them on this side. Otherwise, yeah, keep out some of the wind and some of the rain and thing. and animals. You see? Yeah, and from there we good now. You know what I mean? Yeah, just now I able to start to sleep here. You know, guys, you know? And more time, I just go and take my time and build up a fireside and thing. And you go see what I go on, man. Just stay tuned, you know what I mean? The boy Rasty the Gentle, don't know me not feel it, you know. You know what I mean? And I promise to say, just now the weed them will start to clean and thing and seed there. Yeah, man. You know? Yeah, so me have a whole heap of work and thing for do right now. I'm going to start to weed out some ginger there. You know? And some tanny and thing. Yeah. You know what I mean? And soon time I'll start to burn some land to plant. To get the cabbage and them organized and thing. You know what I mean? But I'll taking it easy still. Until when it's time to go hard. You know what I mean? Yeah, people, and you know, just stay tuned, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, just there. I mean, this is home by me in my backyard. You guys, yeah, I'm just there now. Put in some work and thing, you know. I want to bust some seed and, you guys, yeah, man. Yeah, just setting up here. No, it's better than them to set up some seed, some cabbage seed and some ganja seed. You know? Yeah. See where I going. Hard work, man. Key to everything.